Hello, I'm Dorji Wangchuk from 11 Science, reporting on installation of a skyded water tap in our school. It was always dream of entire family of SCS to have safe and clean drinking water filtration facilities in our school. Though we have filter in our school, due to its quantity and less number, it's not available for the huge number of students in our school. The situation become very worse during the monsoon season due to heavy rainfall and downpour. Surprisingly, SCS was blessed with the visits of two officials from the SPBD, School Planning and Building Division. Two officials from the SPBD visited our school to help in installations of a skyded water tap in our school under the sponsorship of Disaster Aid Australia with the collaborations of Thimphu Rotary Club. With instruction of two officials of the SPBD, we Somdang family constructed water tap to install this guided filtration unit in our school. On 12 April 2019, 5 officials from the Education Ministry visited our school to install this guided filtration unit in our school. The officials worked tirelessly to install the guided water tap in our school, which has a capacity to generate 2000 liters per day. We, the family of Somdang Central School, really thank for the officials for helping us in installations of a guided water tap in our school, which is really mandatory in our school.